Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Patrick here from All Things Mathematics, and moving on to the next example. Here we're going to be working on more vector algebra. So we have to find 5u minus 2v minus w if vector u is equal to 2, 0, negative 3, vector v is negative 5, 1, and 2, and then vector w is 2i plus 5k. So first thing to notice that u and v, these are both in component form, while vector w is in the unit vector form. And before you do the algebra, you want to make sure that all of the vectors you're going to be using, u, v, and w, are going to be in the same form. So you could change u to be in vector or unit vector form, so it would be like 2i plus 0j. We don't have to write the 0j, but I'm just going to write it for now, just so you can see where it's coming from. So that would be what, like 2i minus 3k, like this. And then you could write the v here as negative 5i plus j plus 2. Okay, right? Remember, vectors I, j, and k are the unit vectors for the components x, y, and z, respectively. Or you can take vector w and write it in component form, which is probably my preferred method. So the I, remember, that represents the x. Notice that there's no j here, so that would give us a j value of 0, right? Very similar to how this u has a y component of 0, right? So notice there's no j. Because there's no j here, that means the y component here is going to be 0, and then this is going to be 5. Right? So whether you want to use this as u, this as v, and then this as w, unit vector form, plug it in here, right? All of these in brackets, then distribute the constants in, and then collect the like terms. Or you want to keep them in component form. I think I'm going to keep them in component form, right? These forms right here. So if we put those vectors here, so it'd be 5 times vector u, which would be 2, 0, negative 3, like that, minus 2, and then vector v is negative 5, 1, 2, minus vector w, which is 2, 0, 5, like that, right? So this would end up being what? It'd be 10, 0, negative 15, and then this is going to end up being plus, because after we distribute this negative 2, and there's like a plus that's going to be left over here, so this is going to be 10, negative 2, negative 4, right? If we multiply the negative 2 by all of the components, same thing here, we're going to end up with a plus after we distribute the negative in, negative 2, 0, negative 5, like that. And then basically, you just have to add up all the x components, so 10 plus negative 2, that would give us what? 18. 0 plus negative 2 plus 0, that would give us negative 2. Then negative 15 plus negative 4 is negative 19 plus negative 5. That would give us negative 24, like that, right? So that right there would be the final answer. In component form, if you wanted in unit vector form, you could also write 18 unit vector I minus 2 unit vector j minus 24 unit vector k, like that. Right, so either of these, that is the solution for this question. And that's a wrap for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you want to see more videos like this, please go to my website, allthingsmathematics.com. Over there, all of the videos are organized by chapter, by section. If you feel like you need tutoring at any point, you could also hit me up. My contact details are on the website. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.